Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country chic style home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Country chic style home decorating blends rustic charm with soft, elegant touches. It's a fusion of country farmhouse warmth and sabbatic sophistication, perfect for creating cozy, stylish, and welcoming interiors. Here's a guide to help you decorate your home in this charming style. Key elements of country chic style: color palette, soft neutrals, whites, creams, beiges, pastels, pale pinks, mint green, dark egg blue, earthy tone, soft browns, muted greens. Textures and fabrics: linen, cotton, burlap or lace, ruffled or embroidered curtains, quilted throws and cozy cushions. Furniture: vintage or distressed wood pitches, slip-covered sofas and armchairs, farmhouse tables with turned legs, mix and match chairs. Materials: natural wood, preferably weathered or whitewashed, old iron or galvanized metal, ceramics and vintage glassware. Tips to nail the look: mix old and new, blend flower market finds with newer chic pieces. Keep it cozy, add layers of textiles and ambient lighting. Personalize with heirlooms or handmade touches. Mix rustic with feminine. Balance draw adds wood with soft florals, lace and pastel tones. For example, pair a distressed wood coffee table with a ruffled linen table runner and a vase of peonies. Use white as a base. White or off-white walls make rooms feel bright, clean and timeless. Then layer in soft colored furniture, own wood accents, floral decor for character. Incorporate vintage finds, visit flower markets or thrift stores for antique mirrors, iron candle holders or animal pictures, old window frames or drawers used as wall decor, vintage trunks for charming stories. Layer your textiles. Make your space cozy and inviting with layers of cushions in different sizes and floral prints, quilts or truss over couches or beds, shade curtains with ruffles or lace trim. Choose distressed furniture. Look for furniture with chipped paint, weathered wood, or a whitewashed look. Ornate but simple curves, especially for dressers, armories, and headboards. Display everyday items as decor. Turn useful items into beautiful ones. Stick plates on open shelves. Store flour and sugar in labeled clusters. Hang pretty aprons or cutting boards on hooks. Use soft lighting. Create a warm glow with table lamps with linen shades, string lights or vintage style bulbs, candles in glass or metal holders. Keep it clutter-free. While the style is layered and cozy, avoid too much decor. Choose a few meaningful or seasonal pieces for each area. Add personal touches. Incorporate items that reflect your personality. Handmade signs or code boards. DIY crafts like a messenger candlelight or lace-covered jars. Repurpose with purpose. Turn old items into new treasures. Use an old leather as a blanket rack. Turn messengers into pendant lights or bathroom organizers. Repurpose a vintage dresser as a bathroom vanity. Decorate with story. Choose decor that tells a story or sparks nostalgia. Display handwritten recipes in frames. Hang an old family quilt on a wall. Use heirloom teacups or dishes on open shelving. Create cozy corners. Add a reading nook or tea corner with a plush armchair, throw blanket, and side table. Soft lighting and fresh flowers nearby. A small rug to ground the space. Mix metals in wood. Combine warm woods with aged metals. Use old iron curtain rods or candelier. Add galvanized metal trees or buckets. Mix brush or antique gold frames with reclaimed wood furniture. Play with plates and gingham. Incorporate classic patterns to add that country feel. Gingham napkins or chair cushions. Plate drawers or pillows. Curtains with a small country check pattern. Add bedboard or shiplap. Great for accent walls or backsplashes. Paint white or soft pastel for a clean look. Adds instant farmhouse textures and warmth. Pair antique rugs. Mix an antique or oriental style rug with natural fiber rugs. Try layering a floral rug over a jute or seashell base. Helps define spaces and add textures. Seasonal country touches. Update your decor with the seasons. Spring, florals, pastel reds, and fresh greenery. Fall, bright with pumpkins and plaid blankets. Winter, pine garlands, candles, and knit rugs. Summer, light linens, wildflowers, and cactus accents. Incorporate handcrafted items, handmade pages, and authenticity. Crochet or knit blankets, embroidered cushions or table runners, handmade ceramic dishes or pottery. Hang a statement candelier, a romantic, vintage-style candelier adds elegance. Try crystal or old iron for contrast. Hang over a dining table, bathtub or entryway. Feature a farmhouse sink. If renovating, a white apron front sink adds classic country charm. Pair with brush or matte black hardware. Open wood shelving nearby. Decorate with books. Books give soul and texture to a space. Stack vintage hardcovers on side tables or shelves. Use books in soft, muted colors to match the palette. Wrap books in craft paper or lace for uniformity. Set up a charming entryway. Make the first impression count. Add a distressed bench with storage baskets underneath. Hang a rustic mirror, coat hooks, or seasonal wreath. Place a vase of fresh flowers and lantern by the door. Use shade or ruffled curtains. Let in natural light while adding softness. Choose white or off-white shades for a breezy feel. Add curtain tie-backs with lace or floral ribbon. Incorporate wicker and rattan. Natural woven materials are perfect for this style. Baskets for storage, wicker armchairs with cushions, rattan trays on coffee tables or ottomans. Keep it personal, not perfect. Country chic should feel lifting and loved. Embrace quirks, imperfections, and mismatched pieces. Showcase your own art, family heirlooms, or DIY crafts. Let the space evolve naturally, seasonally, and personally. It contrasts with modern touches, adding a hint of modern can make country chic feel fresh. Pair a distressed farmhouse table with clean lined chairs. Use minimalist pendant lights with drastic wood beams. Add a sleek glass vase on a subject console. Use open shelving to display beautiful essentials. Open shelves give a casual, welcoming feel. Stack vintage dishes, mugs, or pitchers. Use matching canisters with handwritten labels. Display folded linens or stacked cookbooks. Make a statement with wallpaper. Feature a soft, romantic pattern. Tall, teeny florals or faded damask in a powder room or behind a bed. Use peel and stick options for easy changes. Add whimsical details. Don't forget the charm. Porcelain figurines, teeny birdhouses, or distressed photo frames. A vintage style clock, an antique key rack, or lace bunting. Play with mirrors. Mirrors open up space and reflect light. Choose ornate-edged or distressed frames. Hang above mantles, vanities, or in entryways. Add cozy scent layers. Scent plays a big role in ambience. Use essential oil diffusers with lavender, vanilla, or eucalyptus. Light soy candles in messengers or vintage tins. Use skirts on furniture. Add fabric skirts to kitchen sinks, console tables, or bathroom vanities. Choose floral or gingham fabric for a nostalgic touch. Bring in farm-inspired accents. Even small details work. Chickenware in cabinet drawers, milk jugs as vases, wooden crates as shelves or storage. Thanks for watching the video.